No. That stage is very important, you know. Like I need to know kuti chicha unyanzotarisira pamunhu waunoda.
Someone who is kind.
Okay.
What else? Just be yourself. You in the bumromo power, right?
Didn't pamromo. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Yeah. Well, I love someone who's respectful. I like someone who's kind who's kind to others, because I know what if she can be kind to others, then she can be kind to our children, and she can be kind to our families and our friends. Because even though, you know, like, which one not, I don't care, personally I don't care about the outward appearance. Whether no, I don't care about that, as long as it's going to be better. But what wins a man's heart? Men tend to fall in love with a person who is humble, and who's in peace, someone who is just good-hearted and caring and loving. Also, even though a zebra is beautiful, a donkey is domesticated.
Meaning?
Meaning, you can be beautiful. You can, I'm not going to praise God, but as long as you don't have a good heart, as long as you're not respectful, as long as you're not kind, you're just an empty vessel making a lot of noise.
Kind of getting it personal though.
The truth is personal. Like, and you, what do you expect from a man, from your man?
Okay, from my man, I expect him to give me love which is unconditional, you know. So ndodamunhu anondi respecta. Ndodamunhu kuti anondipa chirimera noziva kuti ndakasvika pane vanhu ndofanira kunyasoziva kuti no, this one, he values me. You understand? He get it. Yeah, that's the kind of a man I love. Yeah.
Nemari.
Come on, who doesn't love money? Even you.
Yeah, but it's just the fact that men buy cars because women love cars. Men buy houses because women love houses. Men buy MBZ drip because women love MBZ drip. So basically, women and man are blood related.
Yeah. You left me with no words. But let me tell you something. Kana uchiita something, right? Usaite kuti like kuti mainingi vakuone kana kuti this girl akuone, you know. Just do your things for your own, like zviitire iwewe. Not kuti anzi murume mukadzi ndipfeke hembe drip so that this girl loves me. No. Just be you. Sometimes us women, we love the you. Pangpasha memshito but we love the you.
Oh, so you're telling me that like you won't be offended if I don't buy you gifts?
Nah, it's cool with me. Was pekutanga nenda ku accept, like ndanyatsoona zvawiri, right? Ndanyatsoona to know you you are this kind of a guy. Not kuti wakatanga kuya kwandiri usina Benz, right? Wakatoya kwandiri une Benz, I expect kuona wakapfeka those, you know, those fancy clothes and stuff. But you know, that's someone who is real. You understand? Then I'll understand that now my guy is like this. You get what I'm saying?
Too sweet.
I know.
I know. Well, you can say thank you.
But I know, ka.
Zviri Mudzimba.
Well, I love sex. Like, I love sex very, very much. What?
Me too, you know. Yeah. Seriously, I love it. And Canada and my new ideas, please don't ask me when the one of person that Kura.
Kura. Come
on, we can't just and
I understand, but I still don't get Why wakadzi vachifunga kuti sex only benefits men?
Anditozvinzwisisewo because sex is natural, but varume vanonzi vanoida aesthetic kudarika vakadzi. Toziva sei zvichinzi varume vanoda sex kudarika vakadzi?
Okay, please do explain.
Like varume, they do go around vachitanzi ndine chikara in stuff, but vakadzi vanoramba vakangonyarirawo even though vachida.
Okay, same thing nekuti varume vanonzi havarwadziwe because they are good at keeping their feelings in. But wakadzi, you go around crying to people, mchingochema over stuffed animals and dogs and stuff like that.
Exactly. I hate being normal though. Ini ndakatochemedzwawo ndinozwawo hang 2 or 3 wekutochemedzawo.
Yeah, normal is boring. Normal is full of crap.
Yeah.
Right. Check out the poison. Ladies first, for 5 minutes, then goes hotel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ndakudya angu manje.
It's okay.
What else?
Chi. Yeah? Look at that nice. Yeah?
Ah!
Kunakidza ka?
Yeah?
Ikunakidza ka?
What?
Ikunakidza ka?
Yeah. Inotambuka sei kwe?
Okay, you're like. And say it again. Say it again. Okay.
Yo, buddy. Go on, buddy. No more is boring. Instead of Usia, we'd rather join. After a couple and 200.
Ndisingafungire kuti chandijoina kai. Like ndoda munhu anonyatsondinzwisisa, you know, kana ndichinyatsoita zvimba achibva andijoinoka anobva ahura moyo wangu.
Saka ndahura moyo wangu. I'm glad. You sure it's done, but
I'm okay.
Okay. Yes, so far. Yo. Wakaonekwa navanhu rume baba.
Makadizvenyi?
Tiri bezvati.
Ndikutsvagawo kaimba hakuna kwamuruziva kune wandumu.
Imba yemari.
I think 50 zvese ipapo iri right.
Maimbogara?
Ndaigara kuchiroma.
Hanziko.
Vari kutsvaga imba.
Imba? Kwauri wewe?
Nyarirai zvenyu, handisi kutsvaga imba kwamuri, ndanichibvunzawo.
Hamusi kakuita kutsvaga varume here imi?
Kutsvaga varume wako imi, nyarirai, handisi kutaura nemi.
Aiwa.
Kwete imi.
Hamusi kuita kakutsvaga varume here?
Kutsvaga varume wako.
Wazi vakadzi ndinovaziva. Madi kubvunza inini? Madi kubvunza inini? Madi kubvunza inini ndozvandisingade. Izvi ndozvandisingade. Vakakwanira maya.
Asina kukwana ndiani?
Imizvi.
Inini ndisina kukwana mari.
Asi wakakwana papi?
Saka pakubvunza imba, chii chashata pakubvunza imba?
Dzimba dzinenge dzakanyorwa kunzi imba pano. Pane pakasungirirwa imba panapa.
Kunyorwa simba inenge.
Aiwa, haubvunze kuti imba murume haubvunze imba. Haubvunze imba. Vakadzawo ndinovaziva.
Kuwaziva
Kutsvaga varume. Handisiyane nazvo. Saka madi kubvunza murume wanyu imba. Mateni ndinokupesanisa imi semuri tune murume wenyu shemu. Manzwa. Mai. Iza ndione kana kubvunza inini. Wadi kubvunza inini? Mukwane. Shit.
Kushupika mese nemurume wenyu.
Iwe ndo wada.
Ndambokutaurira. Mukwane. Shit.
Nyadzika ndo dzakubata. What's wrong with you? Huh? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, Rumimbo? What's wrong with you? Why did you do that? I'm asking you a question. What is your problem, Ruvimbo?
Anga achikunyinga pamberi pangu.
No, that's not what happened. Okay, muna angoswika wachibvunza kuti mbando iwana kupi, but you angoswika nongotanga ngopopota nekumataka. Why did you do that? Haunotombonzwisisa nyaya yacho angoswika nongotanga ngompopotera. Really? Why did you even do that?
Come on, vakadzi ndovaziya. Ukunzwisisa. I lost my marriage. Yakaenda nebest friend yangu. Saka vakadzi ndovaziya.
That's your problem. Unongofunga kuti munhu wese angori pupa kukurwadzisa, munhu wese unongokutsoma just to hurt you, but it's not about you, okay? I know the world is a shitty place, and I know kuti zvese zvakaitika, what you have been through happened, but you need to stop living in the past. We meet people every day, and if you don't trust them, I get it, but you need to trust me, because I am your man.
I trusted a man once, but here I am.
You're always comparing me to him. I am not him. Ndikakutengerera ma roses unoti da iye ntinga ma violets. If I do this for you, you compare me to him. You're living in the past. I am not him. How am I supposed to please you? How am I supposed to make you happy when all you do is compare me to him? Unoti judge with your past, but you don't even see the effort that I put in trying to make you happy. It's like ndinenge ndichirwisana nedombo remoyo mako rake. Okay, you are living in the past.
Always compare me with, like, I see my features Americana. I once saw them, right? We look alike, takafanana. That's why you always stay with me, right? Unongochona maitanya, peka this, peka that in. I'm maitanya, right? You always see maitanya pandini.
Problem you one. Mukatsurwa munoona unge mako atakwa. but ndeipi relationship yawakaonewe isina zvekutsurana. Ndinenge ndichida kutotryawo kuti tiende kumberi ugadzirise apa. Ini handirambe wano kutsurwa paunotaura. Inga ndichinogadzirisa one along the way. But you unofila kunge wakati ako wakatsurwa. That's where your problem is. But you know what, upenyu hwako Rwemba. It is unoda, it's your life. Do whatever you want. Do whatever it is that makes you happy. Okay? And one more thing. When I stare at you ndesingaone maitanya, mfungwa mangu ndinenge ndichitya kufunga kuti if angels don't exist, then how can I explain her? How can I explain you? Because you are the damn prettiest woman I've ever seen. That's why I stare at you. And I didn't choose you because you have my same features na maitanya. I chose you because you make me feel loved. You make me feel special. You take away all the pain. You make me feel like I'm enough. When I'm with you, I am enough. But right now, I'm just waiting to feel about you. So do whatever it is that you want. I need to take a walk.
Trouble in paradise.
Yeah.
It depends on the music. Munani kaskadi kurwadziswa.
But no, there's no bore. There's no bore singated. Like, how can she see me when all she does is just compare me to other guys? Before in India, I was only the effort that I tried to put in trying to please her because of that. And the person as if it's not enough. She knows. She thinks she knows how it's going to end. It was not so peranda chema, pachachemwa, and the do fambane vanhu komangwa and do fambane takabata na maoko mu street komangwana tikazoonekwa nevanhu tinozoti kudii tisisiri tese and stuff like that, man. It's just bullshit.
Zechi. Kana munhu akadaro kasikadi kuzikanwa kuti mukumhanya mese. Unomusiya akadaro. Asi zvinhu zvinotobowa.
Ndatofunga kusiyana nazvo. Shamwari, zvikadini ndichidai.
Ngoni. No one is perfect. If you need a wife, Ngoni, you need to build her from scratch. Kana uchida mukadzi, Ngoni, you have to mold her from scratch. You have to build her, you understand? You can't say pano bati, pano si, pano bati, pano si. Unosvikepi? Unosvika pakufa. Unofa wakadaro mukadzi wese Ngoni akanaka. You have to kuisa mwoyo wako pamunhu wane kuti uyu ndo munhu wangu wanotoda kuchinja. Akatonaka mukadzi yeye. Ende pane mumwe munhu anoda kutorera mukadzi yeye from you.
Okay.
You have to kuisa mwoyo wako pamunhu wane kuti uyu ndo munhu wangu wanotoda kuchinja. To what I like. Iye anokuchinjawo futi to what she like. Ucharambo chunguona futi wakanaka after waona wacho unoda iye. But unofanira kudzikamisa hana yako. Ukuzvinzwa?
Zvinzwa.
Ahope BMW.
Wow, ndozvaunga pana about usikoti munhu wangu iBMW. BMW. Benz zvese funga dzeBenz nedzeBMW dzakabatanidzwa kubudisa iyi.
Uyu ndoda kutomuona.
Uchazomuona paunenge usisada kuzomuona waneta nekungoti. Ene zvangwenge iko kuno.
Zechi. Ndarota murungu.
Shit. Pamwe ato muZimbabwe utaura kuno. And your life will be a living hell.
I'm not ready to see her.
Oh, pretty sure she's more than ready to see you. Zviri Mudzimba zvipere.
Zvikusekesa. No. Tini maZimbabweans. Any gun can shoot. Not a Zviri Mudzimba.
You know what? I trust you. Ditsure kakawanda are you listening? Okay. I want you. I want to live the present with you. And only you.
So now, Popote, a good woman must know when to act childish and when to be matured. Okay? And also, at least old mangwana kune, right? So kaitika guys are to pura, so that's the beauty of life. We never know what's coming. So let's live in the present, okay? We have fun, chaya now. We are sad to China, to Tukana, China food, and stuff like that. But I want to do all those things with you in the present. Not worried about the future, okay?
When is the present actually?
Oh, well, right here, in this moment, with you. Looking all pretty and stuff. It's like a talking stage up here, isn't it?
Mama thinks and then does it bother you to this mandala?
No. In fact, I'm not going to no.
Why? Most people are bothered.
I'm not most people. And people are different. Just that I've done things. I also in the past I've done things. My mom got my mistakes, my mama chance my mistakes, my boy in the order. So in the past and I'm not fit to judge others. So no, it doesn't bother me.
So you were different, ka?
Yeah, they were not.
Not at all, man.
So when I shot.
No, not really, but
Wow. Okay, you know what? No, I'm good. I'm true good, but I know shot.
come on!
What?
How can you be lighter than me?
Well, you know shot does.
I'm so good to get gas.
Yet you are laughing. Thank you for the day, though.
Okay. What? Come on, it doesn't matter. People should know that you're my man.